Hey everybody, it's me, rough draft number 1. I haven't done this in like years, so don't make fun of my beat, but I heard it in my head, so here we go. It's not mixed, it's not mastered. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so here we go. I'm in this dark space, and I've been sitting here for years in this dark place, and I wanna let it go, but you know how it hurts me so to let you go. Soulmate, I always thought you'd be the one, but it takes more than just being in love, and no pretend that this is the end. Yes, it is the end. If you love me like you say you do, you would give me the world. I can give you all of that and more, but you won't make me a girl. But no more, no more, no more. If you like you say you do, there's no need for the world. I can give you all of that and more, but you won't make me a girl. But no more, no more, no more. That's it that I'm working on right now. I got the rest of the words, but still working on it. So, I will see y'all when I'm finished.